In this video I'm going to show you why your Canon Selphy Secure is not working. Now there are few reasons it's not working. It may be out of paper or maybe the ink is not enough. For example, if we look at here, status light is available but the charging light is flashing. That means it is running out of the charging and we have to charge it. And we should also check the paper. So go to the back and click on the push. Check if you have enough paper installed. And the next is to check the ink cartridge. For example, if I give a print command, and here we can see the status light is turned into the red and it says the ink cassette is empty, replace the ink cassette. That means we have to replace the ink cartridge as well. So these are the few reasons, and once you fix it, you should be able to use your photo printer. Thanks for watching.